A few weeks ago, we introduced the Weld-On Axle Housing Bracket. Mouthful. This is specifically designed to accept our twisted snap hook and be welded to the axle tubes of a solid axle car. We realized that there's a great number of applications for this product that don't necessarily mean that it needs to be mounted to an axle tube. So, as we always try to do here at Max, let's come up with the next solution. So here it is. The flat back version. This has probably equal applications to the one that's scalloped for being welded directly to a tube, but for applications where you still need a tie down point, but you don't want to or cannot, for a variety of reasons, place it on an axle housing tube. The dimensions are the same. It's laser cut out of 1/4 inch thick steel tube, so it's not a press brake operation. You don't have any stresses that have occurred in the 90-degree formation, and again, designed specifically to accept our twisted snap hook and still allow a few degrees of off-angle pull. I'm going to walk around to a couple of project cars here at Max to show you, give you some ideas, some inspiration on how you may be able to use, let's go with this one, the new flat back design of this bracket. These are available now and can be had on our website at maxtiedowns.com or call us at 800-666-1586. Let's take a closer look now at different areas on your car that you might be able to employ these.